Hello and welcome to Stamping Within. So this is the missing segment. I kind of left this out of the original video from a few days ago, and I had a request from a subscriber as how to transfer the cutting file to the machine, and then how it cuts it. So that's what we're going to do now. So I'm always willing to listen to my subscribers and, kind of do whatever makes them happy, hopefully. So here's our cutting file. Sorry for the sound of the mouse. I do need a mouse pad at some point. Or a trackpad would be nice, actually. Wonder if Santa Claus will bring me a Apple trackpad next year. Well, this year. Right, quick sip of coffee. So that's the card base with our score line. That's the aperture for our buckle to go through. That's the buckle there. That's the bit that's going to be glued to the back of the card, and that's the bit that folds over and slides into there. That's the matting piece that goes on there, and that's a kind of a random square that will go here. And there'll be some scan and cut flowers and leaves and things, which I won't be showing. That because I think I did that in the other video. Yeah. So here we go. So transferring to the machine. File. And transfer SVM file via the internet. So there we go, processing. The registered machine is ready to download the transferred file from the internet. So we're clicking OK, and that's this section done. We're now going to move to the machine, so I will see you there. Right, so here we are. We have our cutting mat. I've got a piece of Whisper White here, A4, and a piece of Flirty Flamingo. Bit of washi tape because my mat's not very sticky at the minute, so that just helps keep things in place. Right, what we're going to do, so we're going to do a background scan. That will ensure that our pieces fit onto the proper bits of cardstock. So let's open her up. Load the mat. We'll bring the machine forward a little bit. Right, and then we're going to bring her into shot. There we go. I'm just going to go a bit that way because there's something in the way up there. Right, so we need a pattern. Okay, now because we saved it on the internet, you see here I've got my wireless on, and that's the cloud to the machine icon there. Okay, so we'll give that a press, retrieving, and there's our design. Right, so this one at the bottom here is background scan. We're going to click that and press that. And see if I need to move anything around. Right, oh look at that. My white bits are on the white card and my pink bits are on the pink card. Perfect, perfect. Now then, that was in the way. So just move that up. So right, so what we can do now is click OK and cut. Okay, processing, and it's going to take about a minute. All right, I'm going to get my spatula so I can keep this card flat, and off we go. And there we have it. Check the mat. Oops. Just move it to one side. We take off our cardstock. There's our card base with the score line. I'm not sure if you can see that, you probably can't. There's the piece for our buckle, and there's the score bit. I'll just fold that over, ready? Okay, and here's the card. Oh, it wasn't set quite deep. Oh no, I think no, we've got away with it. There we go. Oh dear, I was a bit worried there. I had it set on just over 4. It probably needs to be a bit closer to 4 3/4 maybe. But that's okay. It's all good. And there's our bits. So let's just trim those bits off there. And there's our card base, our matting pieces, and our buckle. There you go. That was the missing segment. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up. Share, of course, subscribe and ring the notification bell, and you'll always know when there's a project for you to watch, which you can set a reminder for. So whatever you're doing today, have a lovely time, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye now.